Mickey, go open your gift, Mickey.
Whoa!
Who is that from, Joe? Who is that from? From your daddy?
Yeah.
Stepdad?
Oh, holy, some new merch. That's, wow.
You like it?
I got a car. Let me see.
Oh! It's for me, Mickey. Daddy gave me this one. Well, thank you, boo. Got Mickey's favorite gift.
Oh, I know what.
Merry Christmas, guys. You're ready to open your gifts? Okay. Mickey, go look for a gift with your name on it, Mickey. Find one with Mickey's name. Okay, go ahead. Yeah, that one is for Mickey. Okay, Mickey. Mickey, go open your gift, Mickey.
Whoa!
Who is that from, Joe? Who is that from? From your daddy? Stepdad?
Oh, holy, some new merch. That's, wow.
You like it?
I got a car. Let me see. Whoa!
Who is that from, Jaden?
That's from Robot.
Who is your present from, Jaden?
It's Robot. I don't know.
Did you look on the paper? You need to see who gave it to you.
What's that?
That's from me.
Oh, who's that?
Okay. So, Joe, did you tell Daddy thank you?
Yeah.
Okay,
That
good.
was some nice merch.
You're welcome. Give Mickey. Wow, Mickey, you got makeup? It's so pretty. That is from Auntie Kika.
Oh, the little.
Mickey, no, go get different present. Go get a different present to open. And then we can open makeup after, okay?
Mike, can I open this one?
Wait. Let's wait on Jaden, then you.
Oh, you got the same person. Whoa! What? A jacket? Yep.
Try it, put it on. 1 second, Joe. Let him finish him bag now. Because I'm going to miss some of the present. Wait.
Is that for another car?
No. Yeah, nice jacket. Let's see what else is in the bag.
I got a sweater. And that's oh, pants.
Okay.
Oh, you got to. This is what I got.
Okay, Joe, go ahead.
I know this is our
Auntie Dana and Benji.
Whoopee. I got a book.
Let me see what it says. What does it say?
I like my.
Self. That's right.
Oh, I got some gaming. Let's go.
Let me see what's that. A pajama? Open it, let me see. Open the pajama. Okay. Oh, that's a nice pajama, Joe.
And some happy faces.
Yeah, it's nice. Okay, Mickey, your turn. Here.
Whoa, Mickey got a big one.
Merry Christmas from Zariah, Zayden, and Zendaya.
It's Mickey.
Yeah, it's for you.
Oh,
From
Mickey,
Auntie
you
Kika.
got Barbie. Barbie? Oh, good, Mickey. You got Barbie, Mickey. Whoa. It's so cool.
I need to see.
Nice, Mickey. Wow,
You like it, Mickey? Wrap up very well. Oh, you got a pajama too, Mickey. Look, open.
And you got a bike.
Jesus Christ. Wait. Mickey, what happened to the pajama? You just throw them away? These are nice pajamas. You just care about the car, Mickey? Huh? Oh, it's nice, eh, Mickey? You like it? Okay. Who is that from?
This is from Santa.
Okay. Wait, no, make me see what Santa gave him.
This is from Santa? Yay! Thank you, Santa.
Open it, let's see.
Santa loves when people
Mickey, wait. Oh, yeah. That's nice. Okay, keep you warm and cozy.
I'm gonna wear this tonight. Bye.
Mm?
What do you do now?
Okay. Mickey, you're opening your gift from Santa? Okay, go ahead. Joto, that one is from me.
You got a robot too! Wow! Thank you, Mommy.
Let me hug. You're welcome, Joe. Okay, go.
Forward. We're gonna have a robot.
Mickey, you want to open your gift from Santa? Let me see yours, Joe. Let me see, Joe. Yeah.
Hello, I am number 3. I have super sense ability, able to sense your special orders. I can dance as well.
Guys, you need to finish opening your gift before you start playing with the toys.
A blanket too.
Oh, nice. Help her open it. Let's see your blanket, Mickey. It's nice. You like it? You're gonna share it with Shine? Turn it.
No, Son's sleeping with me. But the game.
Oh, okay.
I open this one.
Okay, go ahead. Who is that from?
This one's from.
I think Zora and Zandaya and Zayden.
Oh, okay.
Auntie Kika.
Whoa! Whoa! Look! I got this! Oh, that's this is what I wanted!
Let me see. What is that one? Okay, nice.
That's
Truck.
what you wanted? Yeah. For your whole life? Yeah, this is what I wanted. This is what I wanted! A new monster truck!
Yeah. Okay, next gift. Next gift.
It's me.
Okay.
I got the blanket too. Whoa! Yes, sir. Good. Where's my blanket? Oh, I didn't open it by myself. Oh, how do you even take it off?
Just rip it.
Wait,
Mickey, wait. I don't know if that gift is even yours. Wait.
yeah.
Just wait, Mickey. It's so cozy, Joe.
Didn't feel like a blanket. It's super cozy. Yeah.
Okay, Mickey, who's that gift from? Oh, from Daddy. Ooh.
That beats you.
Yes.
Oh, yes. Mickey got frozen.
Let me see her gift now.
My dolly.
Yeah, it's your dolly?
Oh, Mickey, you got frozen.
Oh, Mickey, it's so pretty. Oh, Mickey, go give Daddy a hug and tell him thank you. Go give Daddy a hug for your present, Mickey. Go hug Daddy. You show Daddy now. Come over. You know, I'll let you give.
Mommy, I think I can hold this. Ma, I want to take it off.
Yeah.
I just wanted a brand new one.
Mickey said, Merry Christmas. Ah.
Thank you for buying me a monster truck.
I didn't buy you a monster truck. Auntie Kika did. I bought you the robot. What happened? You're welcome.
I just wanted a monster truck broken by, and I just wanted a new one.
So whose bag is this? Mickey, this is your bag. Let's see what's in it.
too. It's jacket.
You got a jacket? Wow, it's so pretty. It's so pretty, Mickey. Nice jacket.
I'm going to put it on like that.
Yeah?
Like that. It's ready.
Oh, you got some candies?
Yeah.
Chocolate?
Yeah,
Okay.
me too, Bobby.
Oh, nice.
My turn. Okay.
Mickey, you have one more chocolate in there, right?
Yeah.
Here.
What you got? Wow, another one.
Wait. Why you guys can't wait? You're killing me here. And a story and some clip for your hair, Mickey, okay? Okay, Josiah, go ahead.
Whoa. Yeah, that's my makeup. Yes, sir.
That's from Mommy.
Thank you, Bobby. I have a broken one. Yes, sir. It's a brand new scooter. Now we both have scooters. Yeah. Now we can ride. Oh, I got some laser socks.
Oh, nice. Those are some cool
This
socks.
one's for you.
Oh, Joe, that's a nice bag. A nice shirt. It's cool, Joe.
That one's
Okay.
better. Here's gold better.
Mickey, what's that one? It's for you?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Joe, go look at
Ellie and Benji.
go look if Mickey name is on that gift, Joe.
Yeah, her name is on it.
Oh, this gift is from Mommy, Mickey. Open it from here.
Get over here.
You like it, Mickey? Do you like it?
What? I like it.
Yeah, it has a remote, eh?
Whoa, I got the same thing. I like to watch it.
You got some pajamas?
I like to watch the TV.
Yeah.
Oh, you got Minecraft. My
Mhm.
favorite. And they got a Minecraft shirt.
It's a pajama set.
And they got this. And this. To Jaden, I love you. Daddy. Okay. That's my daddy. Hey, wait. Oh, you guys got a marble run? I got a marble run too. Can I borrow your marble? You can
Let me see. Okay. Very nice. Mickey!
Thank you, Daddy.
So, open from here.
And here, this is for you. Last one. Okay, where's the other gift? For Daddy. That's for Mickey.
Mm-hmm.
I'll put this down. All my stuff.
Mickey, it's nice? You like it? Mm-hmm. It's from Mommy, Mickey.
No, for me, color.
Okay, I know, but I gave it to you. Okay, what about that one, Mickey? That silver bag there at the back, Mickey. The last present there is yours.
Oh,
Yeah, from Auntie Dana.
this was Auntie Dana.
Yeah. Open. Auntie Dana gave it to you.
What?
Yeah.
I'm going to open that one.
Mm-hmm.
Look for Mickey.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look, Mickey got the same thing. What? She got this. The Jaden one.
Oh, Mickey, you got a cash register. Ooh. You reckon?
Take it out first.
It's nice, Mickey.
Bah!
Yeah.
You would do.
So whose bag is that there, sir?
This one red.
Okay, what's inside? That's from Auntie Melissa.
That's chocolate. That's chocolate.
Joe, come on, Tarina, Joe. Oh, yeah, come.
Oh my gosh.
Turn around, let me see.
Yeah, for me, Tara.
Oh, nice.
This for me, Tara.
What's for you? Mickey, you get something already. You get a jacket.
It's a thing for you.
Why are you opening Daddy's gift, Mickey?
Then open, not Daddy.
You open it for him? Okay.
Where's the top?
Don't nobody lose a piece them so we can put it together, you know. Okay.
Get it to Daddy.
Okay.
Thank you.
Mickey. Where is it?
Oh, Daddy got on my shoes. Oh, Daddy, those are the same shoes that my teacher has.
Yeah, bother. Hey. Shoes nice.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Mine look a jump out.
What's this?
Okay. Mickey wants to open my gift from Daddy.
Yeah.
I don't like this.
You guys careful before. Oh no, they wrap up so. Oh! It's for me, Mickey. Daddy gave me this one. Thank you.
Already done.
Oh yeah. Very nice.
I'm going to eat my chocolate.
You gonna eat some chocolate? Well, thank you, boo. Got Mickey's favorite gift.
Oh, I know what you do.
Oh yeah.
You put.
Take time, Mickey. Take time with it. Yeah. Oh God. Not too much. Not too much.
Doesn't work. I need a yellow.
Okay. Good job, Mickey. See? Yeah. And now you have glitter over your eyes. Put the brush in at the little part here. So. No. Open it. Open it and put the brush in here.
Oh, you wait.
You have two for lips.
It's rainbow.
Is rainbow?
Yellow is yellow. Oh, here.
This one.
I want to be a guy.
Ooh, nice nails, Mickey. Blowing on your nails?
A small.
Don't touch. Let it dry. Oh my goodness, the kids got so many gifts and now we are officially broke. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked our video, and if you did, please like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.